The Swoosh company has been preparing limited edition models for Paris' most significant summer street basketball competition for years. This occasion calls for Dončić's fourth signature model to wear a tour yellow, Chile Red, yellow strike, black color scheme. Despite the Jordan Luka series' history of dramatic finishes, the recently discovered K54 makeup most likely draws inspiration from Bruce Lee's iconic yellow and black appearance from the 1978 movie Game of Death. An analogous color scheme was famously used by Kobe Bryant in his Nike basketball catalog. There are references to the Paris tournament on the insole, the spine, and the unique tour yellow shoe box. There are flashes of ruby-colored flare all throughout the mixed material top, possibly in reference to the previously described ensemble. The Cushlon foam beneath the foot prefers a completely dark appearance so that the colorful potpourri of the upper can shine. Look forward to the official look of Luka 4K54.